Hi guys, this is Stephanie of Creative Limits Me, and today I'm doing a bit of spring cleaning. Yes, I started late due to the hand surgery. I did start late this year, but I am trying to do a little bit by little. So if you're interested in seeing what spring cleaning I did today, stick around. Alright guys, here's how the closet looks. I want to do something with those bins. I do not like the way they look. It's been bothering me since I did it. They need tops on them. I don't like to see all that stuff like that. So I'm doing that. I'm going to redo those where I got the sheets at. Moves. I don't know what I'm going to do with those dishes, but I got to figure out something with that. Get all that straightened, top to bottom, and reorganize this area. I got to figure it out. I'm going to work with you guys, so I'm going to take you guys along with me as I fix it rather. I've purchased some bins to put things in, so I'm going to go through those. And then once I have this all finished, I'll come back and show you guys the finished look. product. Now I did move my suitcase out of the closet to make more room in there to move around. And what I did was the travel bags, I put them together and put them down here at the bottom. The brown bag, what you see, is what we keep the toiletries in for travel. So I left that there because it'd be easy to fill it in here. Now as you see up here on the shelf is all my method and cleaning products. I try to keep at least 3 of each to keep myself supplied so I won't run out. I hate running out of cleaning products right in the middle of doing something. So, and then you see here, I did get my IKEA boxes to put everything in. I hated seeing the other ones, the cloth ones, because they had no lids on them and you could see everything and it made it look extra junky when they were in there, instead of having them that way. So I did refold all my sheets and fix those. As far as the dishes are concerned, I left them there because I didn't want to put the black and white ones and the black ones out in the garage with the rest of the dishes, because those dishes up there are very important to me and I wanted to make sure that they stay safe and didn't get broken. Now here is this side of the closet. Now here is the other side. What I did, guys, was I moved all my cleaning products from here, from on this top shelf to over here, as you see. The only thing I left over here as far as cleaning is the hand soaps. In the white container you see is full. In the front I have 2 smaller hand cleaners. Now on the back here, the brown basket you see on the back, that's all of my kitchen towels. This house is small. I don't have a lot of storage. So, and then underneath you see the clear container with the blue top. That's my smell goods, I call them. My wax plugs in, my wallflowers, and my candles are back there as well. I tried to keep them on the same shelf for easy access. The second shelf here is my placemats, the square ones and the round ones. I have quite a few and limited space to store them, so I thought this would be the better spot for me to keep them in so they don't get folded or bent. Now this next shelf, my husband, as you know, has a thing about having a lot of light bulbs. He likes to make sure he has them, so that's why we have that box so full of light bulbs. Now on this bottom shelf here, guys, are my silicone bake pans and a couple of small appliances that I use kind of on and off more than the other ones. I was trying to get more light for you to see, guys, but there is no outlet in the hallway, so I hope this is a lot clearer. I have a toaster over there, and then this sandwich maker thing with you can do eggs, whatever, and then I have the 3 serving warmer set over here as well. So I think the closet came out pretty good. Everything is better organized for me. And also I had my husband put 2 bins up top. It's close, you see the stuff hanging out because he did not put the stuff back in, and he complains when I get on that ladder with my messed up hand until he gets home. So here is the finished product. I hope you enjoyed my 1 bit of spring cleaning. And if you enjoyed my content, guys, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my video. If you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please feel free to click that red button down below. Once you click that red button, you see a bell. Click that bell. Then a notification screen will appear saying send all notifications to this channel. Click that box. And then, guys, click save. And you will be notified each and every time I upload a video. And also, guys, follow me on my social media accounts. They'll be listed down below on the screen and as well as in the description box. And as always, guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you guys be blessed.